am studying class 9 in IOT Level, Puducherry. I belong to SP Robotics Maker Lab, Puducherry. My project name is Independence Day Ceremony Organizer.
Hello India. Today is August 15, 2019 and today is 73rd Independence Day of India. We makers can celebrate it technologically. Press P2 to continue the ceremony. Please rise up for flag hoisting. Attention. Flag salute. Order. National anthem. Thank you. Happy Independence Day, Giant.
Materials I have used: speakers, Raspberry Pi, IoT materials, a Bluetooth controller, gears, servo, battery, motor. Thank you for watching my video.